Good evening, students. Today I'm going to teach you chapter on the face of it, which is written by Suzanne Hill. So, students, this is a short play which has only three scenes and three characters, and the characters are Mr. Lamb, Derry, and Derry's mother. The first and the last scene are placed in Mr. Lamb's garden, and the second scene is placed at Derry's house. So, students, this story revolves around an old man named Mr. Lamb and a 14-year-old boy named Derry. So, Mr. Lamb has lost one of his legs in war. Now he has a tin leg in its place. So there are two characters mainly around them the story revolves, that is Mr. Lamb, who is an old man, and Derry, who is an 14-year-old boy. So Mr. Lamb has lost his one of his leg in war, and now he has a tin leg in its place. In its place, he lives alone in a house, and that has a big garden in front. So and the gates of his garden are always remain open, and all people are welcome there in his garden. All people can any person can come in his garden, any person can enter in his garden. People have spread many stories about him, and no longer ever comes to visit him. So people, they talk about him, they have spread so many stories regarding him, but no one comes to visit him. Kids call him Lemmy Lamb. So Mr. Lamb is also called Lemmy Lamb by kids. Derry's state is no different. So Derry, now let's discuss about Derry. Who is Derry? Derry's state is not different. The one side of his face is all burnt. So Derry's one side of his face is burnt, and he looks very ugly and pale. Look at him with a sense of shock and fear. So because one side of his face is burned and he looks very ugly, and people, when they look at him, they run away from him. They feel fear from him as his face is ugly. So everyone makes him conscious of his ugliness, and it gives him much mental pain. When people, they make him realize about his ugliness, it gives much pain to him, and it gives mental torture to him. Mentally he feels deeply pained. He is sick of the world where he is living in. So he feels that he is tired of this world. When Mr. Derry and Mr. Lamb meet each other, they have a long heart to heart talk. So when they both Mr. Derry and Mr. Lamb, they both meet, they have a heart to heart. They exchange their talks, they talk with each other. So Derry is so much impressed by Mr. Lamb's encouraging words that he decides to leave his home and start living with Mr. Lamb. So when Derry comes to meet Mr. Lamb, he enters he enters in his garden, and Derry is so much impressed with when he talks with Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb gives confidence to him, motivates him that he should not bother about people. Though he has burnt face, but still his all body parts are working. He can do all the things as other people do. So he gives him confidence. So Derry is so much impressed with the conversation of Mr. Lamb that he thinks that he thinks to leave his home. And when he goes back to tell his mom that he has decided to live with Mr. Lamb, his mother, he tries to convince him that he should not leave. Leave, and he should not live with Mr. Lamb. But Derry straight away says to his mother that he will go to he will live with Mr. Lamb. And but what Mr. Lamb thinks in this state, Mr. Lamb thinks that always people, they say that they will come to him, they will visit him, they will come back as they visit Mr. Lamb, but they never come. This is the state of Mr. Lamb. He feels people, they just say that they will come to and visit him again, but they never come. But Derry, when he comes back and he to meet Mr. Charles, to meet Mr. Lamb, what he finds that at last Mr. Lamb is lying dead. He says that he has come back, but when he comes back to Mr. Lamb's garden, he finds that Mr. Lamb is dead. So, this story depicts loneliness and a sense of alienation experienced by people on account of some physical disability. So, this story shows that people, those who are physically, those who have some kind of physical disability, they feel pain, they feel loneliness, they feel isolated. They when people ignore them, ill treat them, they consider them that they are not able to do anything, they are deeply pained when people hate them. So here in this story, the writer has depicted the pain of physically disabled person, that physically disabled persons, they are considered incapable, and that they can't do anything. And when these physically disabled people, they are made to feel like this by other people, they get mental pain, they feel that they should leave this world. And but Mr. Lamb was a person who was what we can say ki he was a person who was having full confidence on himself, and he was bold person, and he thought that he will live his life boldly, though he is physically disabled. Same, he gives motivation to Derry when he finds that Derry is lacking confidence in himself and feels bad due to his ugly face. He feels mental pain, he feels inconvenience, and when people hate him. So here Mr. Lamb gives motivation, gives encouragement, gives confidence to Derry, and Derry is so much convinced that he thinks to live with Mr. Lamb and leave his mother. So he comes back, but when he comes back, he finds Mr. Lamb lying dead. So um, students, in this story, this that in this story, the writer has also conveyed us a message that we should not treat physically disabled person, if they are physically disabled person, we should not hate them. If they are capable of if they want, they can do everything. Only if they are given opportunity, they will also prove themselves. They will prove themselves. So society in return should not hate them, should provide them opportunity, should make them feel happy. They should not hate, and they should be loved. They should be loved, and they should also get respect as people, those who are means those who have their all or body organs fine. So means those who are fine, those who are all right, so they should not hate these physically challenged people. In return, we should give them respect, and they also have right to live in this society. They should not be considered means below, and they should be given equal opportunities. They should not be treated in such a way that they can't do anything. So overall, students, what means राइटर क्या कहना चाहता है इस स्टोरी के अंदर कि डेरी मिस्टर डेरी और मिस्टर लैम जो है इस स्टोरी के अंदर टू कैरेक्टर्स हैं. मिस्टर लैम जो है एक ओल्ड मैन है, और डेरी जो है एक 14-year-old बॉय है. और जब डेरी जो है मिस्टर लैम को उनके गार्डन में मिलने के लिए आता है, तो मिस्टर डेरी का जो गार्डन है, मिस्टर लैम का जो गार्डन है, वो सबके लिए ओपन है. वहां पे कोई भी आ सकता है. मिस्टर लैम को फ्रेश लाइट एयर लेना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बीज बज करती हैं, उनको नेचुरल ऑब्जेक्ट्स के साथ, नेचुरल ब्यूटी जो कि उनके गार्डन में है, ट्रीज जो और जो भी उनके ट्रीज प्लांट्स जो भी उनके गार्डन में ग्रो किया हुआ है, मिस्टर लैम को बहुत अच्छा लगता है। उनको नेचर के क्लोज रहना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। जब मिस्टर लैम के पास डैडी उनको फर्स्ट टाइम मिलने के लिए आते हैं, तो लैम जो है डैडी जो है मिस्टर लैम की बातों से इतने ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस होते हैं कि डैडी ये डिसाइड करते हैं कि वो जो है अपनी मदर को का घर छोड़ दें। डैडी की क्या कंडीशन होती है कि उनका डैडी का जो कि 14 ओल्ड बॉय है, उसका एक साइड से फेस जो है वो बर्न है, जिसकी वजह से वो काफ़ी अगली लगता है और लोग जो है उसके इस अगलीनेस की वजह से उससे काफ़ी हेट करते हैं, उससे दूर भागते हैं। मतलब लोग ऐसा समझते हैं कि जो फिजिकली डिसेबल्ड पर्सन है वो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, उनसे 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 लोग जो है हेट करते हैं। और उधर से जो मिस्टर लैम है, जिन्होंने अपनी एक लेग जो है वॉर में गवा दी, और बट मिस्टर लैम जो है वो अपने पूरे फुल कॉन्फिडेंस में है, वो पूरे फुल कॉन्फिडेंस में होते हैं कि मीन्स though he has lost one of his leg, he will never lose confidence and he will live his life boldly as other people do. So Mr. Lamb in return motivates Derry that he should not consider below and he should avail all opportunities and prove himself in front of all. He should not mind anything what the society people say, instead that he should live boldly. कि वो उसे समझाते हैं, मिस्टर लैम जो है डैडी को ये समझाते हैं कि वो अपनी लाइफ बोल्डली जो है जिए, दुनिया की परवाह किए बिना, बल्कि उन अपॉर्चुनिटीज को अवेल करे और अपने आप को प्रूव करे। सो इस स्टोरी के अंदर राइटर ने जो है ये भी डिपिक्ट किया है कि जो फिजिकली डिसेबल्ड, फिजिकली चैलेंज, फिजिकली इम्पेयर्ड पीपल होते हैं, उनके साथ जो सोसाइटी के लोग हैं वो भी अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करते उनके साथ। दे कंसीडर्ड them below, they considered that these people are incapable, they are not capable of doing anything, they are a burden on this society, means we should not consider them. They sometimes some people means they show just pity on them, they show their pity on them, but what the heart of this disabled person wants, कि वो नहीं चाहते, एक डिसेबल्ड पर्सन ये नहीं चाहता कि लोग सिर्फ उनकी फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी की वजह से उन पर दया करें, बल्कि लोग जो है उनको, चाहे वो फिजिकली चैलेंज है, वो उसके अंदर रहकर भी वो कुछ ऐसा करे ताकि जो है वो मतलब अपने आप को प्रूव कर सके कि चाहे गॉड ने उन्हें फिजिकली डिसेबल्ड बनाया है, बट स्टिल दे कैन do everything. They should also be given the right to live happily as other people live, and they should also be given opportunities like other people. They all enjoy equal opportunities. So like इसके अंदर दोनों ही मिस्टर लैम और मिस्टर डेरी जो है दोनों ही फिजिकली इम्पेयर्ड होते हैं, फिजिकली डिसेबल्ड होते हैं। मिस्टर लैम जो है वो लेग से डिसेबल्ड होते हैं, जिस वजह से बच्चे भी उनका मजाक उड़ाते हैं, लेमी एंड कॉल्स हिम लेमी लैम। सो और दूसरी साइड डेरी भी डिसेबल्ड होते हैं, उनका फेस जो है वो बर्न होता है। दोनों की आपस में जब एक दूसरे से हार्ट टू हार्ट टॉक होती है, एक दूसरे से कन्वर्सेशन होती है, तो मिस्टर लैम से जो है डेरी को काफ़ी इंस्पिरेशन और मोटिवेशन मिलती है, जिससे कि ही फील्स कि ही गेट्स कॉन्फिडेंस, ही गेट्स मोटिवेशन एंड ही feels confidence, and he thinks to live with Mr. Lamb, as Mr. Lamb is a source of inspiration for him. So in this story overall, the writer has conveyed a message to people also, people of society also, that they should not consider these physically impaired, physically challenged people below. They should not just show pity on them. Even instead they should give them opportunities. They should give respect and love to those people, those who are physically impaired, those who are physically challenged, and they should not be made to feel mental pain, that agony. They should not these physically challenged people also, they should also